guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to teach you a free VPN proxy and ad blocker. This is gonna block your ad if you use any extension. This is good VPN for you, so it will block your ads. You cannot see your ads on internet. So get access to any website and block ads with our free VPN proxy extension. Planet VPN, fast, secure, and unlimited proxy services of Google Chrome, 100% free source, bulletproof encryption, anonymous access to blocked website and resources are the factor that make us stand out. With Proxy Planet VPN for Chrome, you can easily make your real IP cancelled and get free full access information that may be blocked in your region. Becoming a premium user in order to get access to server locations in more than 60 countries around the world. Enjoy lighting, fast and special. You see here it's 4.7 out of 5 rating. This is very good rating for VPN. So here you can see 13.6k rating on Google reviews. So there is very good reviews on this. So this is ad blocking. So here you go, you add extension from here, and then you can see here this one, ad block, this one. So see you in the next video.